upgrade yourself with the technology. And this technology is getting doubled every 4 years. If you take up the engineering education today, and by the time you complete the BTech, the technology will be doubled. The languages what you learn today will not be available in the market after 4 years. And hence, a meticulous attention is required from the student. The minor diversions are not required, not acceptable. ఇప్పుడు ఈ డైవర్షన్స్ అని చెప్పారంటే నాకు స్టోరీ గుర్తొస్తున్నారు. సో ఏంటంటే four professors standing on the platform discussing very deeply about a particular topic. They are so much involved in the discussion that they could not able to identify that the train has already come to the platform. The train just started, and as the last compartment was going by the side of the professors, then one of them identified that the train is going in it. They started running. They want to get into the train. 3 of them couldn't able to get into the train. And the fourth professor remained in the platform itself. And the fourth professor remained in the platform itself. He is very despondent and sitting very sadly on the platform. Then one of the passengers came to him and told him that, "Sir, within a short span of time, there will be another train going to the same destination, and you can catch up that train." So this professor replied, "I am not sad because I missed the train. I am very sad because those 3 professors were already in the train. They have come here to send me off. They have come here to drop me. Instead of that, they have gone away." So, same with the case with the engineering student also. He is coming here, he is coming to the college for a sacred purpose, but he is diverting and getting back home. This should not happen because the time and tide waits for none. The time, technology, and the tide waits for nobody. So, the time is the most important resource. The time is the most valuable resource in the world today. It should once gone, it cannot be retrieved, it cannot be taken back. Kalo asmo bahati saptarasmi sahasracho ajare bhuri reta dharo ranti kamayo vipastastasya chakra bhuvana nirispa ananta netraalato విశ్వంలో జరిగే సమస్త కర్మలకు సాక్షిగా ఉండేది కాలం. విశ్వంలో ప్రతి జీవి కూడా కాలాధీనమై వర్తించవలసిందే. జ్ఞానంలో శ్రేష్ఠులు మాత్రమే కాలమనే విశ్వాన్ని స్మరించగలుగుతారు. అటువంటి కాలమైక ఔన్నత్యాన్ని గుర్తించగా కాలక్షేపం చేసేవా కాలం తన ఉక్కు పాదాలతో కర్కశంగా తప్పుకుంటూ ముందుకు పోతుంది. తర్వాత నిజంత ప్రాధాన్యపడిన వెనక్కి తిరిగి రాదు. అంటే టైమ్ ఇస్ ఇంపార్టెంట్, అది టైం మేనేజ్మెంట్ ఇస్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. కాలాన్ని సద్వినియోగపరచుకొని మీ గమ్యాన్ని చేరుకోండి. గమనం ఉత్తమంగా ఉండాలి. దానికి చేరే గమనం ఉత్తమంగా ఉండాలి. So finally, try to upgrade yourself and try to keep in step with the time in this dynamic world and try to come out as a winner of the time game.